Hello. Look at this. Nickelodeons. The only one that I see that is nice is Tommy.
Oh, the car.
Look.
Mom.
I have all of those and all of these. And I also have Toy Story ones. What?
Look. Pikachu.
Pikachu. These nano things, sometimes they have it in the dollar store. But separate each thing. Crazy. Scary. Look at that horse right there. I saw a review for it. It was really nice. Really, really nice. Right, Layla? Yes.
No copy. No, man. There's a mommy in the copy. Makeup. No man, makeup.
We are on the purses. Look, I found this on the haul, and now I want more, and I don't know where would I find more. Look at the purses. Look at them purses. Look at them purses. No. I really like the one for me. We'll see what we get. Right, Layla and Luna? What you have there? You have a fairy? These little fairies are like $2. Yeah. We are back home now. It's already 1 and I haven't eaten breakfast. I'm going to eat my leftover albondigas. And Luna is over there eating her cornflakes. She wanted cornflakes, and Layla, it's right there. I put her to sleep. She was already sleeping, but she just woke up. She woke up as soon as I lay her down, and so I'm gonna eat before she starts crying. We went to the Walmart, and that's it. I just wanted to buy something that I needed to buy before it gets really crowded and all. And I think that's all that I'm buying. And yeah. That is all for this morning. Done. Semi-done. Not all the leaves fit in here, but it's full. And the tree's has more leaves, so it's gonna shed more more leaves in here. So there you go. I did it. There it is. Oh, clean now, semi-clean now. Yeah, let's go inside now. Keep on wrapping gifts, the last minute gifts. They're not like last minute, they're the gifts that we're gonna give. I'm in charge of the gifts, if wrapping and everything, so everybody gets what I choose. But I tend to choose pretty good things anyway, so it's no problemo. And then this wrapping paper with the antlers or the reindeer is pretty neat. I'm using these for the adult gifts, and Luna is helping me supposedly, right, Luna? Are you helping mommy?
Yeah.
Make more messes?
Go on.
Are you making more messes?
Mommy, we don't want to go like a turn. And
Luna wants a turn. Today, you're watching the videos one day behind. And today is, is today Wednesday or Tuesday? I think today is Tuesday, I think. Yep. And the stores are going to be pretty much full till even the day after Christmas, because like people are going to return gifts that it didn't fit, or like I don't know about this year because Christmas Day is going to be on a Tuesday, and I don't know, like it's the beginning of the week. Probably everybody else will go to work the next day. But yeah, like for us Mexicans, I don't know if all Latin America, but for Mexico, at least for us, we celebrate mostly on the 24th, which is Christmas Eve.
Mom.
And like Americans, or maybe other I don't know, but like other people, non-Mexicans, they do celebrate on the 25th. For us, on the 23rd, I believe we're going to the in-laws, to my brother's-in-law's house. Then the 24th will be over with my sister. And then the 25th is like recalentado, or like, you know, and that's probably with my sister. This is my dad's gift, so we're gonna put Tata. ¿Tata qué?
Tata Chebe.
Yeah, Tata Chebe.
Yeah.
My.
Hi.
There's some other gifts right there. Layla is chillaxing over here. Hi, Layla. And I got the other gifts that we were gonna give for the other people, and I'm just gonna wrap those up. I'm not gonna show them because some of those people watch this video, so I don't want to spoil the surprise. I'll catch you guys later. Hey, I'm gonna eat the tamales that my sister brought me yesterday. I like grilled them kinda over here in my grill. Look, I still have some. I'm making some tomatoes for some salsa, and look at my tamales are like steaming hot. I'm covering them with leaves so my husband gets here, then we get to eat. I'm waiting for my tomatoes to get ready, so I blend them up to make some salsa. Gonna put some mayo on it with some soda. Delicious, delicious dinner for today. And Luna's already eating her tamal right there, right, Luna? Did you fail? Did you fail and hit your nose? Oh, and your elbow? Not your elbow, your wrist? Oh, poor little Glow. Are you okay? Oh, it's okay. And here this lady. Yeah. I'm gonna make this mug treats. I got it from this one I got it at Smart and Final. It's from Betty Crocker. It's a topping included, and it's written about 1 minute in a mug. Now the problem is I don't know if my mugs are microwavable. Should they say, ooh, dishwasher and microwave safe? What are you doing, Lunita? But this one's kind of narrow. It's very narrow. Now I'm not gonna. Which one should I make it on? That one I really can't do it. That one has foil. Is this microwave safe? Dishwasher microwave safe. The Hershey one? Yes. How about my pig? Is my pig microwave safe? Pig out. It doesn't say. Let me check if I have one. I guess I'm going to make it in this one because I don't have no other one that does. So it says you open your little baggie, and then this is for the hot fudge brownies. So we're gonna open the tiny box, and it has this little mixing thing. I'm guessing is like the flour, and it has the topping, and it has 3 more in there. So I'm gonna make one for right now. Right here it has the instructions. It says empty brown mix into microwave safe 8 to 12 ounce mug. So that's about 8 to 12 ounce mug. Add 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of water or milk. I will add milk. Microwave uncovered to on high as directed below. Squeeze topping over brownie. So time high. I don't know how to change the thing over here in my microwave, so I'm gonna check it out. So let's do this. Here's my muggy, and then we're going to add the mixture into the mug like this. This is for a brownie. Mixture right in there. Let me get a milk. So for the milk, it says add 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon, and I'm going to use milk. So 1 tablespoon, and then we'll use 1 teaspoon. Well, that's very little. 1 teaspoon right about there. Lunita, what are you doing, mommy? Stop it, please. Right there. Now I have this whisk. I'm going to whisk it. Says add tablespoon milk water until well blended. So there it is. Look at that. I'm mixing well, so all the crumbs or the big things are well mixed. That looks good. Let's see. Look at this. Look at this. I think that's good. Now, I'm going to put this over here. Now we're going to put it in the microwave right about here. Let me check. I don't know how to change the, to put it either 700, 1,000, or like 1,200. So I'm just going to put it in like that into my microwave in here. And we are going to add, we're going to do a minute 15 like that to make sure. Minute 15, and then there it is inside. See what comes out of that. Okay, now it hit, and now I'm going to, wow, that's very little. Should have asked for a smaller mug. It has it right there. Now it only says caution hot, use mug handle to remove from microwave, squeeze topping over brownie, do not microwave pouch, less than 2 minutes to complete cooking. Oh, okay. So now we'll put the topping in top of it, and then we'll wait 2 minutes for it to finish cooking, I say. And here is the topping. I'm just gonna put it like that. It's a bit hard to squeeze it out. And I didn't put this on the fridge or nothing like that. It's just like it was on my pantry. So I'm going to put it in there. I'm gonna use a little spoon to scrape it and make it like a cover brownie. If so, you can see absolutely nothing besides my face. So can you see? Like that. Like so. So we're gonna leave it there for 2 minutes, and then I'll come back, see what.